Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Snibe MAGLUMI Intact PTH CLIA Reagent Kit. Yeah, you can see that PTH Parathyroid hormone CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit. Yeah, you can see this kit is used to diagnose the level of parathyroid hormone in blood, which is created by parathyroid gland. Yeah, you can see this is the brand name Snibe MAGLUMI and product name Intact PTH CLIA Parathyroid chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit. Yeah, this is a C certified IVD product. Over here you can see the content present in it. You can see that 2.5 ml of magnetic microbeads and 1.5 ml of calibrator low, 1.5 ml of calibrator high, 6.5 ml of buffer, 7.5 ml of ABEA label, and 1.5 ml of control 1 and 1.5 ml of control 2. Yeah, these are the content present inside. You can see the reference number of the product. The reference number of the product is 130261001M. This is the reference number. The shelf life of the product is 18 months. You can see the pictorial representation here. This product should be kept away from the sunlight, and this product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So that only I am using ice pack to maintain the product temperature. Over here you can see this is a 100 test kit pack. Here you can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is the top view, and I am just going to show you other sides of this product. Here you can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here also you can see this same. Over here you can see the product name Intact PTH Parathyroid hormone and reference number 130261001M. These are the content details present in the box. Now I am just going to unpack this for your reference. You can see this is the instruction manual for Snibe MAGLUMI Intact PTH CLIA reagent kit. You can see the detail present in it. How to use the reagent and what is the principle, what are the content present in it, and what are the reagents and precautions, and how to handle the reagents. All the details has been instructed in the instruction manual. Here also you can see the specimen condition and how to prepare for analysis and specimen storage and procedure of the method. This is the overall content present in instruction manual. I'm just going to place this aside. After that, you will be having a certificate of quality assurance certificate from Snibe Diagnostics for this product. You can see this comes up with an 8 stickerings. 4 for control 2 and 4 for control 1, and you can see this is a ABEI labeling stickers for PTH CLIA reagent kit. I am just going to place this aside. After that you will be seeing that this is a reagent seal for parathyroid hormone CLIA kit. You can see this reagent seal. I am just going to place this aside. After that you can see these are the controls, 2 controls. I am just going to take this out. These are the 2 controls. Here you can see this MAGLUMI Intact PTH CLIA control 2. This is of 1.5 ml. You can see the target value is 14 pg per ml and range is 280 to 520 pg per ml. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see this is Snibe MAGLUMI Intact PTH CLIA control 1. This is of 1.5 ml. I'm just going to place this aside. After that this is the reagent pack from Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI Intact PTH CLIA. You can see the product name and brand name over here, Snibe Diagnostics, and this is a C certified IVD product. Over here you can see what are the content present inside these reagents. Yeah, 2.5 ml of magnetic microbits, 1.5 ml of calibrator low, 1.5 ml of calibrator high, and 6.5 ml of buffer, and 7.5 ml of ABEA label. Yeah, these are the reagent present in it. This shelf life of the product is 18 months. You can see the temperature control, and this product should be keep away from light. And this pack is for 100 testers. All the details are present in it. This is the top view of the reagent. This is the back view. You can see the reagent liquids in it. To summarize it, Snibe MAGLUMI Intact PTH Parathyroid Hormone CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay reagent kit consists of one user manual and 3 stickers of reagent sales and a certificate for quality assurance and 4 control 1 stickers and 4 control 2 stickers of ABA label, and Intact PTH control 1 1.5 ml, Intact PTH control 2 1.5 ml, each 1.5 ml, and the reagent kits. You can see these are the content in reagent kits: 2.5 ml of microbits and 1.5 ml of calibrator low and calibrator high, each 1.5 ml, and 6.5 ml of buffer and 7.5 ml of ABA label. These are the whole kits present inside it. Thank you.